with just one color. And today, I'll be showing you how to create a super cool and looking acrylic silhouette lamp. If you are interested, keep watching.
First, we need to gather some Halloween elements like pumpkins, goats, bats, and more. Next, let's start making the acrylic cutting files and draw it with AI. After finishing the design, we need to save the files in both AI and PDF formats and then compress them for cutting. I decided to go with Elecrow's acrylic cutting service. I uploaded the compressed files we just saved and chose the design thickness and color. I chose a 2mm black acrylic board with dimensions of 200mm by 200mm for the cutting. Now it's time to leave the rest to Elecrow. Got the acrylic, time to start making the silhouette lamp. Step 1. Peel off the protective film from the acrylic. It's so satisfying to do. Step 2. Thread thin string through the holes on the surface of the acrylic and cut it to design length with scissors. Step 3. Loop the copper wire lights around the edges. Through the designated holes, you can find this copper wire light on the Elecrow offshore website. It's done! Now, just one final step left.